Hey, Gunner. Hey. You ready to go night-night? Night-night. You ready to go night-night? Hey. You said mama? He said mama? He said mama. Mama. Not gonna do it? Say mama. I think that was good. Okay, we'll go night-night. Gunner will be 10 weeks old on Tuesday. 2 days. He's getting so big and chubby. He weighs 15.5 pounds. Mama.